Most roofing contractors don't lose deals because of price. They lose deals because their sales process is slow, messy, or inconsistent. And here's the truth no one tells you. The fastest responder, not the cheapest contractor, usually wins the job. In this video you'll get a full breakdown of the Leap software app in 2026, how it works, and whether it is actually the best roofing sales software for your business. Let's get straight into it. Leap is designed to help contractors create fast estimates, manage sales presentations, and close jobs more efficiently. It focuses heavily on the sales side of roofing and construction, not just job management. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most roofing software helps you manage jobs after you win them. Leap focuses on helping you win them faster. Let's break it down simply. First, the main strength of Leap is speed in sales. You can build estimates quickly, present options to customers, and adjust pricing on the spot. This is useful when you are sitting in front of a homeowner and trying to close a deal before they call someone else. So if Alex runs a roofing business and meets customers face to face, Leap helps him turn a conversation into a signed contract in the same visit. But here's the problem. Speed only works if your pricing and workflow are already structured. If your business does not have clear pricing rules, fast estimates can actually create confusion. Now, second key area is presentation. Leap allows contractors to show different roofing options, materials, and pricing tiers in a clear format. This helps customers understand what they are paying for without feeling overwhelmed. Now here's where it gets interesting. When customers understand options clearly, they are more likely to upgrade instead of choosing the cheapest option. Third area is integration. Leap often connects with other roofing systems for job management and operations after the sale is closed. That means it is mainly a front-end sales tool, not a full end-to-end system. So if Jake runs a roofing company and already has a job management system, Leap can fit on top of it to improve closing rates. But here's the key mistake most contractors make. They think software alone will fix low sales. In reality, it only improves a system you already understand. If your sales process is weak, even the best tool will not save it. Now let's talk about who Leap is best for. It is best for roofing contractors who do in-home sales, want faster estimates, and need help closing deals on the spot. It is especially useful for growing teams that rely on sales reps in the field. It may not be ideal for very small contractors who only do a few jobs a month and do not need advanced sales presentations. So to wrap it up, Leap in 2026 is one of the strongest roofing sales tools because it focuses on speed, clarity, and closing deals faster. But it works best when your pricing and process are already solid. If used correctly, it can help you close more jobs without increasing marketing spend. If this helped you, like the video, comment your business size so I can suggest better tools for your sales process, and subscribe for more simple software breakdowns that help you grow smarter.